Blessings. My name is Kathy Andrews, and my topic concerning the postbellum economy in America between 1865 and 1900 is focused on the industrial and philanthropic economic contributions of Andrew Carnegie. Andrew Carnegie was born in Scotland and was the son of a Scottish handloom weaver. In 1848, at the age of 12, Carnegie immigrated to the United States and settled near Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. In 1870, at the beginning of the Industrial Revolution in America, there were very few steel mills. Yet by the 1890s, America gained great power status in the steel industry, and Andrew Carnegie was an influential contributing figure in that process. Working in various fields upon his arrival to the United States, by the 1860s, Carnegie had invested in railroads, railroad sleeping cars, bridges, and oil derricks. His prosperity in those businesses enabled him to build the Carnegie Steel Company in Pittsburgh in 1886. He was the first to create the most extensive integrated iron and steel operations to that date and employed several innovative techniques. He was able to produce cheap, efficient steel via mass production utilizing the Bessemer process that rapidly controlled the way to burn off high carbon from pig iron. In addition, he employed vertical integration of all raw material suppliers. His factory was operated in round-the-clock shifts for constant production. Due to his innovations, Carnegie was able to control every phase of the steel industry: raw materials, transportation, manufacturing, and distribution. Carnegie experienced unprecedented prosperity due to the dramatic rise of the steel industry. Concerning the steel workers, Carnegie employed substantial numbers of employees. While he paid them low wages, Carnegie did offer his employees the benefits of cheap coal for fuel, low rents or home loans, and one of his most famous contributions, the Carnegie Library. With the rise of the wealthy industrialists during this period, entrepreneurial philanthropy also grew exponentially. While Carnegie possessed a fierce drive to accumulate wealth, he also felt it was his duty to make a significant contribution to society. He recognized the injustices of the structural inequalities in society and strove for social improvement. Carnegie felt that business and philanthropy went hand in hand and ended up pioneering an entrepreneurial philanthropy ethics theory that he put into practice. He wrote an article in 1889, The Gospel of Wealth, and called upon the wealthy to use their wealth to improve society. The United States was well on its way to becoming the benevolent nation. Carnegie sold his company to J.P. Morgan in 1901 and used the sale to reconstruct his business as U.S. Steel. Carnegie contributed greatly to the United States, producing 1/3 of the world's industrial output by 1913. Employed many people migrating to the big cities, and fostered altruism and benevolence among industrial giants. Carnegie's business and philanthropic efforts not only prospered the Pittsburgh economy, but also contributed to the nation's economy as a whole. He wasn't the first wealthy industrialist to donate to philanthropic causes, but he promoted it vigorously. He is considered the progenitor of modern-day entrepreneurial philanthropy. Goodness. Thank you very much.